Hey guys, let me briefly introduction of the Play Mini child lock protection function. So here's the product. The child lock is turned off when the customer receives the product, and the user can use it directly after filling the e-juice. So let us prime the coil first. To turn on the child lock protection is that insert the pot 3 times in 2 seconds. And the indicator will flash 6 times. Vaping under the child lock protection, the indicator will flash 6 times without vaporizing. To turn off the child lock protection, insert the pot 3 times in 2 seconds. And now the child lock protection is off, and the indicator light will flash 6 times. The device will back to normal static after turning off the child lock protection mode.